Do you know that installing solar panels for your home in Maryland will give you a return on investment, ROI, of 29%, and it will pay you back in 3 years? More importantly, our environment will benefit immeasurably. If you do not install solar panels at your home, you are missing out on a critical opportunity for financial gain and the chance to be part of a collective effort to preserve our climate for generations to come. Hi, I am Ayman, the founder and owner of Penelope Solar and Engineering LLC, named for my granddaughter, Penelope. Social media and marketing experts recommended that I prepare my video presentation in a story mode. They recommended that storylines like my love for Penelope, my passion for solar and climate, my early exposure to the solar panel industry, my credentials as a professional engineer PE and certified energy manager CM are to crisscross, adding to the vitality of the presentation. Grandfather love promotes father love to be more meaningful and purposeful. I heard of Fiji Island in the Pacific drowning, but I see the same kind of drowning closer to my Maryland home in Holland Island, in Chesapeake Bay. I listen to more and more news about gas explosions. I see the soot on my car paint settling from the air we breathe. Few examples of many similar climate catastrophes. What can a loving grandfather do to make sure that he leaves the climate in the best condition possible for Penelope and her fellow citizens who will inherit its care? I have contributed to more than $1 billion worth of projects. Within these projects, I recommissioned the largest solar PV in the world in 1988 in Saudi Arabia, installed by Arco Solar. And I knew then how incredibly powerful tool we got, which can generate electricity directly from sunlight. The power plants which provide our homes with electricity emit a dumpster load of carbon dioxide and other dangerous pollutants in the air for each home per year. Yet, the percentage of Maryland households with solar systems is less than 1%, confirmed by Stanford University website Deep Solar. As a certified energy manager CM and registered professional engineer PE in the state of Maryland, I have routinely calculated return on investment ROI for large private and government projects and decided to do the same for a typical home in Maryland. I wanted to see if this was a factor behind the astonishingly low 1% utilization, despite climate change having become a major worry and issue. I discovered that it was the lack of convincing ROI calculation for the installation of solar panels in Maryland and homeowners not being truly familiar with how much they will get for investing is the primary reason behind the lack of solar panels ownership in our state. A summary of calculations for which I will be pleased to go through with you line by line in front of you, and I am confident in saying that it will result in a very encouraging ROI of 29%. I have researched these numbers thoroughly, and my calculations include the installation cost, the account for the existing federal tax credit, Maryland rebate, solar renewable energy credit SREC, and added property value for homes resulting from the installation. A quote from Atlantic Magazine, March 2020 issue, from the article by Cornell University economics professor Robert Frank, who said, "Thy neighbor solar panels." When our peers take action to preserve the climate, we are more likely to follow suit. How the human instinct to conform could help us address the climate crisis. Our love as human beings to conform, to do the same, to be part of a movement is a powerful momentum generator to unlock the stagnant 1% utilization and replace it with an exponential trend where more quantity installed solar panels add to the rate of increase, similar to snowball effect. This conformity is the primary second factor that is missing to make solar installation a success. My email and website address are in front of you. If you invite me by Zoom or email during COVID for now to attend any lingering questions or doubts that stand in the way of installing solar panels, I am here to answer them and will happily meet with you and your communities to address all concerns. These concerns might include roof issues, system maintenance, different types of contracts, how my calculation may differ from other solar panels related figures that you are tracking, or how to monitor your profits to ensure that you are getting them as expected. I will be happy to connect you with the solar contractor who will share our joint trust for a nominal fee paid to me by the contractor. The greater the amount of installations, the more beneficial it will be for us all. My passion is to get invited to talk to you. You will like this investment for you, for your children, and your grandchildren.